Hi guys, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we have the Lexus ES 350h, the hybrid model of the Lexus ES 350, and this is a quick video on how to get into your Lexus should your battery or your key fob stops working. It is very simple actually. All you do is there is a button right here. I don't know if I can get it. You see it says push for key, or rather push and a key sign. So if you push this button at this end, then you can pull the key, which is found here. So I'll do that real quick. I'll push, and sorry I'm using my phone here, so I'll just push real quick. You see when you push it lifts up, and then I'm just gonna pull right now. That's very simple. The key is out. Once you have the key, all you do is you of course go to your door and stick it in, turn, and then you open your door. That's simple. I like how they did it with this model. It is very simple and straightforward. So that's how you get into your car should your car battery or your key fob battery gets dead. That's how you get in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.